Hello and welcome. My name is Arturo Spraycasso, and if you're watching this video, it's because you're either like me, a spray painter, or you are, as I once was, curious about the art of spray painting. Now, before we get into that, let's tackle down the important issues. First of all, your health is very important to us, so you're going to want to make sure you always wear your mask, always. And when spray painting, you want to do it outside or in a very well ventilated area. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about the materials we're going to use in the art of spray paint. The basic materials is magazine sheets, different sizes of cups, lids, poster board, sea sponge. Most importantly, a mask. I prefer you find a mask with filters. The Spraycasso tools, you can find how to make these on my website. Different sizes of straight edges. And of course, your favorite brand of spray paint. Well, as you can tell, spray painting can be a lot of fun, very easy to learn, very quick to pick up. So if you want to learn more about the art of spray paint, please like, comment, subscribe to our channel, or you can visit our website, www.spraycasso.com, for more information. We still got plenty of techniques to learn. You've tackled down the basics. Are you ready for the intermediate? Visit us. Till next time, crew, keep those cans shaking.